I got involved in research as early as my freshman year. So I got to present at the Duquesne Undergraduate Research Symposium and then also at the National Conference for Undergraduate Research. I've been able to strengthen my skills with a lot of that. Had so much practice putting together posters now and working on all that academic writing. My skills in academic writing have improved so much.
I'm currently working on my thesis right now about the development of a 3D bioprinting system that I developed kind of from scratch. I retrofitted a standard 3D printer that prints PLA filament, and I kind of turned it into a bioprinter for 3D tissue engineering applications.
We use algae and we turn it into hydrogels. Hydrogels are found everywhere in medicine, really. So we're creating the particles from zero by using a system that falls with different type of solutions that when they emulsificate, they turn into particles.
I do computational biomechanics. We study the behaviors of different tissues by using computers. But right now we are focused on understanding the effects of vocal fold diseases like vocal fold abnormalities such as lesions and how they affect the tissue biomechanics and the airflow in the glottis when we speak. I knew I liked biology, but I wasn't decided on which field to pursue. I know this university, it has biomedical engineering and nursing, and you can major in both. Everything you want to study in Duquesne, you can do it.